Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful makeup look that I'm wearing today. I promise you it is so easy, but it is so stunning. I really like the way it came out, and I would love for you to stick around and see how I did it. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face using my Nivea cream. Y'all know already that I love me some Nivea cream on my face. I have dry skin, so I definitely have to use this. Before I go any further, y'all, I just want to show you these amazing pieces of jewelry I got from Ana Luisa. They come inside these beautiful little bags that you can also use to store them. Here's the first one that I got. It's a cute little heart pendant necklace, and this one is called Lev, and I absolutely love it. It has these little links on it, so it's kind of like a, chain link kind of necklace. I think it's so cute. It's gold, one of my favorite tone when it comes to jewelry, so I absolutely love that about it. And it's just the perfect size, something you could wear every day, or you could, dress up putting it on. But I love it. I chose this one because of the heart shape, of course. So yeah, here's the second one, and this one is more of a snake kind of chain. I think that's what they call these chains. If I'm mistaken, please correct me in the comments. But yeah, I like this one because of the look of it, and that's the reason why I chose it. It lays flat on my chest, and as I move, you see the gold tone shows more. I don't know, something about it, I really love it. I used to wear these kind of chain when I was younger. Like back in high school, everybody was wearing them, but I absolutely love it. I feel like they never go out of style. It looks great. Look how beautiful that look on me. I absolutely love it. And I want to say this is my favorite, even though it was very hard to choose which one to wear for the rest of the video. But I finally chose this one as my favorite. Here goes the third and final one. As you can see, the bag is so nice to keep them in. You could put all of them in the one bag, or you could keep them separate. I keep mine separate. So this one is another heart necklace. This one is red this time, and I really like the way you close this one, and that's one of the main reasons why I chose this one. I think it's so cute. This one is called Hannah Lee Heart. This one is also a little bit longer than the first two, and because this one I cannot adjust it, but if I could, I would probably, make it a little bit shorter, but I still really love it, and I feel like it is so perfect now for, the season that we're in. And I don't know if this red would be like a ruby, but if it is, ruby would be my birthstone because I'm Cancer. I was born in July. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you like them, definitely check them out. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brows using my ABH brow gel. And this is gonna make them look more natural, and also I really don't have to do too much to my brows just because I did the powder brow to my gel. It's kind of like microblading, but this one is called powder brow. Now I'm gonna use my Tarte concealer to carve them out just to make them look like I did something to them. I'm only gonna be using the Tarte concealer on the bottom because I want the bottom to look lighter, especially because I'm gonna be using it on my eyelid also. So for the top, I'm gonna be using a foundation. This foundation is a little bit lighter than my complexion, and this is the reason why I use it for things like this. I bought it on Amazon, and that's the reason why I didn't get my right shade. So I usually don't use this for my face foundation, but I use it for stuff like this. To conceal my face today, I'm going to be using this one from Fenty Beauty. Now I'm going to go back in using that same concealer on my eyelid, and this is going to act as a base for my eyeshadow that I will be applying soon. To blend it out, I'm using my wet beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend it all over right into the concealer that I added earlier under my brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Sash Cap Buttercup setting powder to set my brows, and I'm going to be using this brush from Real Technique to apply the setting powder. And as you can see, I'm just dabbing it on all over where I added the concealer not too long ago. To do my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetic. Look at these colors, guys. How beautiful are they? This is one of my favorite palettes to use, by the way. So I'm going to start off using this yellow one that you see me pointing at right here. And I'm going to use it on my lid as my transitioning color. Now I'm going to go back in using this orange shade right here. As for this shade, I'm going to be applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it inwards. Now I'm going to use my highlighter by ABH for my glitter on my eyes, and I'm going to just apply it from my inner corner going towards the middle part of my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw my wing liner, and the liquid eyeliner I'm using is one from Maybelline. This is another liquid eyeliner, and this one is from Kiss. I could have used this one by itself, but I decided to use it on top of the one I used before because this one has glue in it, and I just want to place it where I'm going to be putting my lashes. As for the lashes I'm using today, I got these from AliExpress. They don't really have no name on them. Now that I'm done with eyes, I'm going to move on to face, and I'm going to start off with this foundation. This one is from She Glam. I believe the shade that I'm using is Cappuccino. Now I'm going to use a different concealer, and this one is by Kevin A. Coyne. I'm applying it using the brush that I used to apply the concealer under my brows earlier. After I let it sit there for about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to go ahead now and blend it out using my wet beauty sponge. Again, I'm going to set my concealer using my Sasha setting powder. I'm also going to be adding some translucent powder, and I'm only going to be adding it under my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using my contour stick from Fenty. And this I could have done while I was adding my concealer, but I wanted to add the concealer and then set it right away, because if I don't, then I will be creasing. And also, this is a step you could skip if you don't feel like, contouring your face. I'm using my wet sponge again to blend out the contour that I just added. Now I'm going to add some contour powder on top of the cream contour that I just added. And I'm going to be using this brush. It's from NYX. It's kind of fluffy. I really like this brush. It does what it's supposed to do. I like the way, it works with the contour powder. Now I'm going to apply some blush, and this one is from Il Makiage. Now I'm going to go back in with my eyeliner from ABH and apply some onto my cheekbone, my nose, my cupid bow, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now for the lip, I'm gonna be using this lip liner. It's actually eyeliner, but I'm using it as a lip liner to line my lip, and this one is from LA Colors. If y'all want a more detailed lip tutorial, let me know. I got you, okay? Because this is not detailed, but as long as you get the drift. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick. This is a matte lip cream from NYX, and it's called Atom. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply a little bit of my concealer on my lip, and this is a brighter shade concealer. I'm gonna just dab a little bit onto my lip and smudge it in. Now to finish it off, I'm gonna spray some of my Il Makiage setting spray on my face, and then I'm gonna use my fan, my cute little fan that I just got from Amazon, to dry it. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it, because I absolutely do. I think it came out so pretty. I feel like it's a really nice glam. Well, it's not really natural, but it's close. You know what I'm saying? It's not too bad. I think the little hint of orange and yellow is really doing it. And you know what? It goes with my little fireplace going on in the background right there. Remember to check out Ana Luisa for the jewelries that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I am still wearing one of them because I absolutely love it. I love all three of them so much, and I could not decide for the love of me which one I wanted to wear in the video, and I went with the heart. So definitely check out their website and see if you guys see anything up there that you like, because they do have a lot of jewelry up there, and I'm sure you're gonna see something that you like, and the price is not bad. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the finished look, the final look. I feel like it's gorgeous. I feel like it's giving, you know what I'm saying? So anyway guys, I really hope you like this look as much as I do, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.